Welcome to this Android channel, and today we're going to take a look at how to know in Android 6 Marshmallow how much data you've been using with your apps. If you're like me, data is something that you have to be careful with on your mobile device. I've got 6 gigabytes a month on mine, and so it's not too bad, but I still need to be careful depending on what you do, especially if I watch videos on the LTE network. So maybe you have a very limited data cap and you're wondering why you went over, or you're wondering what are the apps that are using the most data for me. And it gives you an idea based on your usage, what takes a lot of data, so you can maybe modify which type of apps you use depending on, if you're on Wi-Fi or not. To know how much data, all you need to do is go into the settings by going into that little pinwheel on the upper right corner. Once you're in the settings, what you need to do is go down to data usage. Click on that, and here you'll see, if you go down, a list of all apps and how much data they've been using. So, for example, in my case, Groove Music is the one that uses more data than probably anything else, because it's the one that I use while I'm listening to music, my favorite music, through this app while I'm going, somewhere. Of course, using the LTE network. Of course, YouTube, watching videos, and so on. And you have the different apps, and you see, of course, all the megabytes used. And this is by a certain number of times. So basically here you see on my graph at the top, it started May 31st. So this is what I've used since May 31st. We're June 6th. Now, with this, you have the information to know which app uses the most data. So, if you see that YouTube, for example, is at the top and says many gigabytes, maybe you should be more careful in watching YouTube videos. Of course, videos take a lot more data than audio, for example. And of course, depending on the apps and what you use, it could be surprising which app uses a lot of data. One of the great things also about the data usage is that you can actually turn on set mobile data limit. This will enable you, and you see it on my graph here, I'm allowed 6 gigabytes a month. So what I do is I've put a limit at 6.1 gigabytes, which means at 6.1 gigabytes, my phone will say, well, okay, you've reached the limit that you've set, so we're not doing any data anymore on your LTE connection. The black line that I've set also at 5.1 is warn me when I'm passing 5.1 gigabytes. So like that, I know that I'm getting close to my limit. And of course, you have a graph at the bottom of your monthly usage. Also, on the apps, you can click an app and check out how much data you've been using at specific times with each app, which is pretty cool also. So check it out by using data usage in the settings. You can actually maybe see a lot more information than you think about the different apps and all the data that they're using, basically. And of course, you can restrict networks. You can also show Wi-Fi usage if you have Wi-Fi data cap, for example. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up. If you have any questions, any videos that you'd like me to make about Android, let me know. And of course, I'll be posting the videos online. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy the videos.